The Ford Expedition is Ford's largest SUV, which means not only you, but others will be sharing this space with you more often than not. So we want to show you around the interior of the Expedition from not only the driver's, but the passenger's point of view too. So let's get started. The interior of the Expedition features a lot of carryover elements from the full-size F-Series pickups, which is not a bad thing, but the Expedition features some unique elements that make it stand out on its own. When you first open the door, depending on trim level, you'll notice the seats. The theme continues across the cabin to the door, trim, armrest, and steering wheel. There are soft touch elements all around the cabin that add to the luxury fit and finish. Once you climb behind the wheel, you have most of the controls you will need right there on your steering wheel. To the left are buttons to navigate through your gauge cluster menus, and below that are your cruise control buttons along with your adaptive cruise distance setting buttons. To your right are your audio controls for volume and track changing, and below are the sync push to talk and your phone controls. As previously mentioned, your gauge cluster features a menu front and center where you can view pertinent information such as fuel mileage, towing, and off-road information. Just to the right of the steering wheel is the engine start-stop button. In the center of the dash, you get a storage bin, and moving down you have buttons for hill descent, traction control off, your lane keep assist off button, auto start stop off button, and your front view camera, which shows on the Sync 3 screen and features 360-degree views, a spread out front view, and a standard front view. Your Sync 3 screen is your infotainment hub. Here you can control your audio input, pair your phone, which also works with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, your native sync navigation, or if you so choose, through your smartphone pairing you can use Waze, your available apps, and finally, settings. In the settings menu you can access Ford Pass Connect, which is an in-vehicle Wi-Fi hotspot that can connect up to 10 devices and stay connected from up to 50 feet away. Below the sync screens lies your audio controls with large knobs for volume and tune, with presets and scan options in the middle. To the left, if equipped, is your reverse trailer backup guidance knob and trailer brakes below. To the right is a 12-volt power port, and your hard button climate controls are at the bottom of the stack with dual zone climate temperature control, fan speed, and your heated and ventilated seat buttons. In the center console is a wireless phone charger along with USB for hardwire charging and connecting to sync. The Expedition ditches the traditional shifter in favor of a rotary gear select knob to keep things sleek and tidy while offering more room. You have gear plus and minus buttons and a hard drive mode knob for meeting the exterior driving conditions. Located on the quadrant of buttons around this knob are 2-wheel high, 4-wheel all-time, and 4-wheel low, and your electronic rear diff locker button. Open this compartment to reveal cup holders, and the armrest raises to allow access to this deep center storage console. Up front, power fold seats feature a 10-way power adjust. The second row features power folding seats with heating and armrests. And if you hit this button right here, you have a tip and slide feature to access the third row. Simply press this button and the seat ejects, allowing you to slide it forward on its rails. The Expedition features the most interior space of any Ford available right now. Front row passengers enjoy 42 inches of headroom and 43.9 inches of available legroom. The middle row has 40 inches of headroom and 42.6 inches of legroom, and the third row, which is very comfortable for a 3-row SUV, clocks in at 37.4 inches of headroom and 40.9 inches of legroom. The third row also features the ability to recline, which makes for even more comfort. For cargo capacity, the Expedition Max has 36 cubic feet of cargo space behind its third row seats, 79.6 cubic feet behind the second row, and 121.5 cubic feet with the second row and third row folded flat. To make cargo space quick and easy, Ford has added convenient buttons that raise and lower the third row and lowers the middle row right from your trunk. Now that we've taken a look around the interior of the Expedition, let's take it for a quick spin to get a feel from behind the wheel. Thank you for taking a look around the interior of the Ford Expedition with us. But to get this view yourself, you have to make it to our lots at Richmond Ford, where we are driven by you. Please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.